So I just got these on eBay. They're just LED sequential lights. Let's test both of them. Looking great. And looking great. Alright, so I've taped everything off. Not too concerned about getting paint on or Plastidip on some of those surfaces there, but this is kind of how I do the rounded corners. You just kind of get close, as close as you can. And then, let's see here, and I taped all the way down there. Covered my muffler tips off. And I'm going to Plastidip this black. I'm going to Plastidip the diffuser black. I'd say about 10 minutes. It's a little runny. Starting to dry up, pretty flat. Okay, I'm gonna leave this here because it's just leaking for no reason. Stupid can, defective can, but it's fine. This will power wash right out. All right, let's see how is this looking. Looking pretty good. Diffuser's coming out pretty good too, pretty smooth. Maybe one more layer, maybe a couple more layers actually, where there's still a lot of yellow still seeping through. And I gotta get this little area under the exhaust. Okay, so I think the top part is done. So let's get the diffuser done, because I want it to make sure it looks good. So I gotta try to get into this crevice here. Usually I don't do this on such a windy day, or I do it in the garage, but honestly, I didn't feel like playing car Tetris. I gotta move 3 cars, and also the smell gets stuck in the garage for a while. Oh shoot, got a little run right there. Got too close, so hopefully that works itself out. I think one more layer on the diffuser and we should be good. I forgot to mention that when you are taking this tape off, you definitely want to have a slightly wet coat on there, otherwise the Plastidip will peel off with the tape. So I'm gonna wet the top a little bit. That's what she said. Now, I'm going to peel this top off. Start right here. All right, you get the gist of it, so I'm going to put this down. Clean lines. So I'm gonna go in and scrape some of this stuff off to clean the edges up. Oh, so much better, the black. Now I just gotta do those emblems. Okay, so I also received the side skirts for my B6. Oh, nothing to unpack. They're just sitting in there. I thought they'd be finished. For the price, I thought they'd be finished. That's a little disappointing because they are definitely not finished. That's a very expensive piece. Car is up on one ramp. Jeez, these are honestly kind of the price. A little disappointed. I'm not super happy about these. I'm sure they'll look fine once they're on, but okay. Hey, nothing. Okay, so I got my jacks, I got some screws, self-tapping screws. To figure it out, you basically just can't know. There's these little ridges right there, and you just kind of slide them into these openings. And it looks like this piece is the one for this side. So I'm just gonna, I guess, self-tap some screws in here. Yeah, this is the right one. Alright, so I jacked the front up and then I put in a few more screws under here, as you can see. Somewhere, yep. So it's on, it looks okay. They're flat and they look chalky, so I'll have to paint them or spray paint them or something, but they're on.